If your Steam client is acting a little outdated, missing features, or you just want to make sure you're on the latest version, this video will show you exactly how to update Steam quickly and safely. Steam usually updates itself automatically, but sometimes it helps to manually check for an update or force Steam to rescan its files. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Let's get started. First, open the Steam client on your computer. Once Steam is running, look to the top left corner of the window and click the Steam menu. From the drop-down, choose Check for Steam Client Updates. This is the fastest way to force Steam to look for the newest version manually. If an update is available, Steam will start downloading it right away and you'll see a progress bar on the screen. When the update finishes, Steam will usually prompt you to restart. Click Restart Steam to apply the update. This step is important because Steam needs to fully relaunch before the new version becomes active. After the restart, you can confirm the update completed by continuing to use Steam normally. Now, if Steam doesn't find an update or the client seems stuck, there's another method you can try. First, close Steam completely. Don't just close the window, make sure it is fully shut down. Check your system tray as well because Steam can sometimes keep running in the background. If you still see it there, right-click the icon and exit Steam properly. Next, right-click your Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. Launching Steam this way can help it perform a fresh self-check during startup. When Steam opens, it will scan its files and automatically download anything missing, outdated, or damaged. This is especially useful if the client has not updated correctly through the normal method. If everything is working properly, Steam should finish updating in the background and open normally once the process is complete. At that point, you're ready to use the latest version of the Steam client. And that's it. Now you know how to update Steam to the latest version using both the manual update check and the force update method. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Steam issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.